before this video starts, I do have an announcement. First off, I hope you guys are enjoying Miracle SMP so far. If you want to see it live, you can see it over on my Twitch channel. Same as my YouTube official way, link in the description as always. As well as I did have issues with this episode. The original Twitch VOD, pretty much the quality said I do not exist. And throughout these clips, which were actually recorded just as a joke, I personally just started recording afterwards because I saw the cool things were happening, and I ended up getting a couple of these clips. There are two clips in this. One of them was like right after, and it was kind of me doing a little bit of training a parrot. It's Pog. Second one is supposed to have a lot more clips than it does. Apparently, Bandicam decided didn't want to record a lot of it, or at least didn't want to save a lot of the recordings that I could tell. So I did unfortunately lose a lot of footage, but it was pretty much I went mining with one of my friends, and you'll see what happens after that. So hope you guys understand, and I hope that I can get that fixed for next time. But I hope that even though I did have some issues, I did enjoy anyways. And with that being said, guys, let's go make some miracles. Also, big thank you to Grace for helping me out with the background of today's thumbnail. Big appreciation. I'll leave a link to her Twitch over in the description down below. Be sure to check her out and give her big hype. And that's about it. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.
This turtle needs to go away so it doesn't run out of my red
Stop breaking my stuff! Sit down! Down!
7 years ago.
Oh, Liz!
Oh wait, does Liz know we have keep inventory on?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, good.
I actually thought that I lost my stuff from it, and then I just respond with those stuff like, oh.
Oh, are you okay?
I did something spicy.
Damn.
What?
So a lovely night we're having.
What?
Yeah.
Stars look alright. Yo, is that the Little Dipper? Oh, shit, it is the Little Dipper.
I just hit my turtle. I think my turtle is thriving. All the squids dying.
Never really understood stargazing. I have no way of telling what's what, so. Well, I have a way of telling, I just.
I'll be right back, guys.
How do you get seagrass? Excuse me.
You see, you go to the sea, which is that way.
I've been breaking seagrass. I see it, but it's not dropping anything.
You probably need, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the loot drop enchant thing.
Subtouch.
Yeah.
How to get
birthday
seagrass. Oh, I need shears. I need shears, that's what I need. Oh my, hey.
Get it down!
Just gonna...
Alright. So I'm gonna plant some more. Alright, where's my turtles at? Yo, my turtles. Come here, bros. Where's my other turtle?
Shut them up.
I see one. One's right. Oh, there's Zip over here. Come on.
Hello, I'm back.
Welcome back. My
Why did I just come? Oh my god.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Why is Omega being rude in chat? We're just waiting.
Yeah.
You just telling him shut up.
Alright, now I just gotta wait for one to lay eggs
Jungle!
so that I can get more.
There's a zombie coming. He won't cross here.
Which one's gonna lay the egg?
I don't know.
All these squids are being rude. It's heck. I'm gonna kill him.
Want to have this sold up like it's gonna fight.
Is it possible to get a
Oh.
panda as a pet?
A what?
Is it possible to get a panda as a pet?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Yeah. You just need bamboo.
I got the bamboo, I just need the panda.
You could lead it back with the bamboo. Might be very slow.
That depends if I can find one first. There are like no actual
You need-
pandas here.
Oh no, I don't think they're gonna be laying eggs here then.
Skeletons are heading this direction. That's cool.
I don't have any sand near me. Do I?
Did you breed them?
I did, but it says they will only lay their eggs at like places turtles have already laid eggs or at their home beaches. And this isn't their home beach. Oh, this sucks.
Don't destroy it.
Ouch, skeleton.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this zombie to turn into a drown. Oh, never mind, it's not.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Yo, there's a zombie with a sword
Where?
Is it a good
in the
sword?
water.
Oh.
It's an iron sword.
Dang.
Man, even with a diamond sword, it shit needs a double tap. Quit ruining our lovely spawn area, bitch.
Okay, so my turtle habitat's gonna have to wait until I have silk touch so I can get turtle eggs. Otherwise, they won't breed. Aw, this is fine. I'm disappointed. Take me, world.
Damn.
Well,
That was the most depressing shit I've ever heard.
Do you know how long it's gonna take to get silk touch?
I mean, yes.
Oh, I'm sad now.
Oh, this is cute. What the fuck?
What'd you find?
Mystic has a little home in the tree over here. That's so cute.
Oh, there you go.
I want to see. Ouch.
Aw.
Where are you guys at?
It's so cute. We're at the little area that they made the other day.
Okay.
This, please.
you'll hate this.
Oh, this is where you guys
Yo,
are.
Greenie, why are you bringing more mobs?
I'm not trying to.
The entrance is over here, by the way.
I placed a dirt block here, like, just for laziness.
Okay.
Miracle Oasis. Aw. Let's see.
Did they also make it so the diamond swords don't do basically 4 attacks and then killing a mob? Because it used to be like that. Now it's not.
Oh,
Because it usually.
stealing your spot.
Aw,
Damn.
I like corners.
Then it comes next to me, bitch!
I'm fine. Jeez, don't be so rude about it. Damn.
Be rude.
So how's it been?
Okay.
I mean, honestly, it's been kind of weird.
Mine just started.
When did you get an enchanted diamond sword?
I enchanted my diamond sword.
With what?
I still have a
With
stone
one-
sword.
I do too. It's like, and it's barely broke. It's got like
Yeah.
probably one durability left.
I
Hey,
have
got a
this iron
parrot!
sword.
Oh my gosh, what'd you get?
Parrot.
Yeah.
No! Zombie, you're not gonna murder me. I just got a new friend. You're not allowed to murder me. I know you're jealous, but that doesn't mean nothing. Go back to your wife that probably left you.
When the sun comes out, which direction do you guys want to head for an adventure?
Let's
go-
west.
Hold on, do you guys want to go on an ocean adventure or a jungle adventure?
Adventure.
Jungle.
I want a cat.
Okay.
If you guys
I
believe-
I know where the jungle is. It's actually that
If
way.
I'm really just wandering around looking for you.
I think we're both lost.
Oh.
That's a witch! That's a witch! That's a fish! And a wish!
Oh.
I'm gonna die.
Oh wait, I found the entrance.
I'm gonna die.
I don't know where you are.
I'm at 2 hearts. 1, 2.5. 1, 1.5. 1.5. And I have no food on me. Besides rotten flesh.
Super.
DJ! Never mind, I got food now.
I don't know where you are.
I'm gonna die.
I found the
I'm
entrance.
gonna die. I'm literally about
No,
to die.
don't die, don't die.
I'm gonna die.
No.
I'm going to die. I have no more food because I used all my. I want to have heart.
I don't know where you are.
I'm in the cave.
What cave? There's so many.
The one we were in.
Which one? The one where we set up a small camp?
The one where we were like, there's another cave down here.
I've said that so many times. I don't know what you mean.
Oh God. Ah!
I'm at the entrance of our little hubby.
Oh my God, I have to go out. Okay, going up.
Oh, so you're down.
Now I'm going up.
That's a creeper!
I'm gonna die of no oxygen.
Of no oxygen.
No oxygen. I have to literally quickly mine this block before I get murdered. Dude, my first episode was literally called I'm Lost Again. This is gonna be I'm Lost Again, but I was mining.
I'm lost again, mining versions. Well, I lost the entrance.
Okay.
Oh, I found it again.
well, Good news, I'm not dying that much anymore. Bad news, I want to have health. I want to have hearts.
Oh my god.
Good news though, I'm mining up.
You what?
I'm mining up.
Okay, go. Wait. The service?
Huh? No, I'm
You
just flat
surface?
out mining up, like strip mining up.
Don't mine into lava.
You know, if I do that, keep inventories on.
I mean, yeah.
The best intro ever. Hey, Dominion, welcome back. I'm lost already again. After having really good luck, please don't murder me. No, you know what the title is gonna be? 1.5 hearts journey through the mines. No, you know what? 2 friends mine, and then there's a creeper. Hi, creeper, and there's a skeleton.
Oh,
There goes Liz.
is he gone?
Oh my cope is still mining. Or still mining is still going. I mean,
Going back up, hold on.
I'm just gonna replace this real quick with all the coal. Oh, I have a diamond on me. That's nice. I can,
That's a skeleton. Right, well, the skeleton's dead. Oh, hold on.
you about to just let it kill you? For context, for my stream, or for my stream, God, I'm not streaming. For my VOD, pretty much it's after dark. Most people are gone, you know. Me and DJ are doing that. I'm like, you know what, DJ, let's go to adventure. Terrible idea.
Yeah.
Got a lot of stuff, got lost, as I do mostly. Not sure how this one got lost, but I'm the one who got lost first episode. No idea where I'm going.
Nice. I forgot the way home.
Where are you?
Well, I was gonna head back to the spawn point. That's a plains biome.
I'm just in my house.
Wait.
I'm trying to smelt whatever iron I have on me because I gave you a lot of the stuff.
Yeah, I know. I'll probably go to my house and then smelt it, and then split it between us.
Yeah. That probably won't be that hard. We found a lot of different stuff.
I know. I think the only thing that we don't have much of is diamonds.
Which doesn't really matter that much because it's diamonds.
Yeah. It'll probably matter in the future, but
For now, I mean, this was just for fun. It's not a big deal.
yeah. Wait, once we have enough diamonds, we can literally go netherite mining.
We could. So one of us should probably keep all the diamonds and hide it somewhere. Probably better than Greenie did because Greenie's chest was so easy to find.
Okay, I have a place if you want me to show you.
Okay. Just finishing up the iron. Can this hurry up? I'm gonna just put all these pickaxes away. I came mining with like 16 pickaxes. I ended it with 16 pickaxes. I ended it with 1, 2, 4. I started with 16 stone pickaxes. I ended up with like 12. Wait,
Oh my god.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
It's raining.
Hog.
But I just realized that I have a burger right in front of me and I haven't eaten. I can hear you crunching.
Don't mind me eating my crackers with mayonnaise.
What?
Premium crackers with mayonnaise. They're really good.
What? I've never heard of that.
They're premium pretty much their crackers are called premiums, and I put mayonnaise on them and they
Uh-huh.
make it like a little sandwich.
Hmm.
So it's crackers with mayonnaise. It's actually really good.
Never heard of it.
Good
I've
food.
never heard of a mixture.
Do you know what premium crackers are?
Yes.
Saltine crackers. The best crackers that have a mayonnaise. I have
True.
26 iron. 26 iron, 38 lapis, and a diamond.
Nice. Okay, so you want me to show you the place or wait until morning?
We can go now if we don't die.
Okay, we're gonna have to book it though.
I love how each of us died literally once on this adventure.
Actually, yeah.
For a second, I was like, "You're gonna hide it in the Nether? Is that really a good idea?"
No.
Are either of us gonna remember where this is? I mean, I can take a picture of it if anything.
Yeah. Oh, there's an enderman and I want it.
And
What am I getting hit by?
there's a spider. Hello. The spider's coming after you. It wants your weave.
No.
Oh!
There's a spider inside my house. What?
There's a spider in the water that's like really coming for my weave right now. This spider's like determined. It is like, I am snatching your weave. I don't think I've been to your house yet. This is pretty.
Thank you, thank you.
I'm
I'm not even done with it though. I still need to add another floor.
I'm kind of surprised you didn't build a cave.
Oh, that's the hideout. Hold on. And oh yeah, there's this too.
Oh dang!
Yeah.
Oh wait,
yeah.
this is technically
The
a cave.
Huh?
Never mind. I said this is technically like a cave. There's a little cave down there.
Yeah. Little hiding areas over here.